The Earth holds environments for all sorts of species. Small microbials that withstand hot sulfur spurs in Iceland to people walking the streets of Washington, D.C. So what then are the environments that we call extreme environments? Some immediately come to mind: deserts, tundras. These are places that humans don't tend to inhabit, and animals for that matter. In fact, there are only a few thousand people that live in Antarctica, and they're mostly researchers. There are other places that are extreme environments that didn't form from Earth's terrestrial evolution. These places were made extreme because of human processes. For example, the acid drainage as a result of mining in Spain, or the water redirection that caused Mono Lake to turn into the pH level of soap. These places, while usually studied to better understand microbial processes, can tell us a larger story of the fragility and tenacity of life and man's ability to disrupt ecosystems.
I'm CBreen, and I have a degree in ecology from Princeton University, and I now answer questions about energy in our changing climate at a nonprofit called the Wilderness Society. I love the ecological questions that come with extreme environments.
At my job, I get to research lots of different types of ecosystems, including extreme environments, like deserts. And currently, I'm working on the impacts of mining to America's public lands.
This research has inspired me to tell the story of man's ability to turn environments into extreme environments, like the acid drainage from mining at Iron Mountain Mining in Redding, California, or engineers redirecting water to create a very basic lake called Mono Lake in Mono County, California. Comparing these two places just shows how capable humans are of changing their environment, even to opposite extremes. We have one body of water that is so acidic, and the other that's so basic. How? I want to answer these questions, and especially when climate is at the forefront, how man can change climate, we need to understand just how capable man is of changing its own environment.
I take pictures for DC Prescription Park program, where I've gotten to visit parks in hard-to-reach places. I also love to ski, run, hike, and I play in a DC volleyball league that is currently the defending champion for intramurals. Oh, and by the way, I'm a twin.
And I would be honored to receive a Young Explorer grant from National Geographic.